In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure PHP settings in CloudRaptor, including changing the PHP version and adjusting performance limits. CloudRaptor gives you full control over your application's PHP environment, allowing you to fine-tune settings based on your needs. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Applications from the left sidebar. Now select the application you want to configure. Once inside, click on the PHP Settings tab. Here you can manage all your configurations. First, you can choose your PHP version. CloudRaptor allows you to switch between versions like PHP 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3. Keep in mind, changes will take effect after the container restarts. Next, you can adjust the memory limit, which defines how much memory a PHP script can use. Then, set the upload max file size, which controls the maximum size allowed for file uploads. You'll also see post max size, which defines the maximum size of post request data. This value should be equal to or greater than the upload max file size. Next is the max execution time, which determines how long a script is allowed to run before timing out. And finally, max input vars, which controls how many input variables your application can process. Once you've configured everything, click Save Changes. CloudRaptor will automatically reload the PHP process to apply your new settings. After that, your application will run using the updated configuration. And that's how you manage PHP settings in CloudRaptor. If you're still stuck, contact our dedicated support team for any of your queries.